Here, climb up on the chair. Okay. Now push it out. Push, push, push. Push that nose. There you go. You push the mouth. Push the mouth out. Push it hard. There it goes. Yeah, push it and pull it. Come on, you can do it. Push, 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 push. There you go.
I can't.
There you go. Can you pull it?
Pull it out.
There you go.
Good job.
There's the eyes. Oh, nose. Good job. You did it. Good job, sweet pie.
I can't do this. I can do the eyes and the nose.
Look at that.
Pumpkin is done. Check them out.
Yeah. Can we turn them into a jack-o'-lantern?
Maybe. Maybe.
Can we turn none into a jack-o'-lantern?
Maybe. We gotta mark
But
them
he's
up
stuck
first.
in.
No. They'll stay out. These all stay out. We're done with these. We
And
don't
one
need these
more.
anymore. That's it. We were making a face in there. That's all we were doing.
Can we make a jack-o'-lantern?
We could do that later. First, we gotta do your pumpkin. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do your pumpkin.
That was my pumpkin right there.
Yeah.
I can draw. Did I draw on it?
Yep.
This is not yours.
Okay.
Take it away from you.
You're going to take it away from me.
It's not yours.
That's not a very nice thing to do.
Mommy, I'm going to leave it there. And I need the markers on. Mommy, where's the marker?
I don't know where the marker went.
I need this.